Want to increase your affiliate sales without relying on just sending people straight to an affiliate link? In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickFunnels to promote affiliate offers the smart way, by building trust, capturing leads, and boosting conversions. Let's break it down step by step. First, why use ClickFunnels for affiliate marketing? Because most affiliate marketers make the mistake of sending traffic directly to a sales page, and that means if the person doesn't buy right away, you lose them forever. ClickFunnels helps you build a simple funnel that captures their email before sending them to the offer. That way, you can follow up with them, build a relationship, and promote multiple products over time. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Create a bridge funnel. Log into ClickFunnels and create a new funnel. Choose the option to collect emails. Start with 2 pages, a landing page and a bridge page. Step 2. Customize your landing page. Use the drag and drop builder to add a headline, bullet points, and an opt-in form. Promise something valuable in exchange for their email, like a free guide, checklist, or training related to the affiliate product you're promoting. Step 3. Add your bridge page. Once they opt in, redirect them to a short video or message where you introduce yourself, build credibility, and recommend the affiliate offer. Then include your affiliate link with a strong call to action. This bridge page creates trust and gives people a reason to click your affiliate link with more confidence. Step 4. Follow up with email. Use ClickFunnels' built-in email automation, or connect it to your favorite email tool. Send helpful tips, reminders, and multiple affiliate offers over time, all to people who opted in through your funnel. Step 5. Promote your funnel. Now that your funnel is ready, drive traffic to your landing page using YouTube, TikTok, blog posts, Facebook groups, or paid ads. Always focus on solving problems for your audience and giving value first. By using ClickFunnels to collect leads, warm them up, and present offers in a structured way, you'll build a long-term affiliate business, not just one-off clicks. Right pointing finger emoji. Check the video description for a free ClickFunnels trial and my favorite bridge funnel templates you can copy today. Right pointing finger emoji, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more affiliate strategies, ClickFunnels tutorials, and online business tips. Thanks for watching. Now go build your first affiliate funnel the smart way.